It broke a lot of shit, but we're gonna see if we manage to get this back together for the future. I have some radiator hoses and stuff. So guys, this thing got absolutely cooked. Everything is pushed over about 5 inches to the right, and then on the right side down about 3 inches. This is what we had to work with. We had pulled it out a lot at the track, but here we go. All right, guys, you saw the clip in the beginning of this video. This thing got freaking wadded last week. We spent the last 3 days going through and trying to take random parts we had to put this thing back together enough. Using a porta power. Try to reinforce some of this the best we can. This rail was completely over to the side of that overflow. We got the rails pushed out pretty decent, fairly straight, but all this tin is just completely mangled. It's all kinked. I told them, so this is my dad and brother's car that they share. Told them that this thing's gonna need a freaking clip because it is coming apart. So we're probably gonna have to fuck with this over the winter. This thing's pouring oil out of it. We just did a valve cover gasket, but it's leaking, so we had to deal with that. And also, the valve cover gasket previously was leaking on this side and right into the alternator. Seems like that's not really working right now. So take a look at that, pull it in, see why that's leaking out of the left side of the valve cover. But she is back together. She'll be ready for Friday. I'm sure they're gonna pick it up tomorrow and paint it, at least so it's black. Doesn't look bad from the outside, but it is certainly terrible underneath. It is. Bill did an awesome job getting it together, but all the tin is freaking torn and terrible. I had to have a tin here to redo all that. And it needs a core support and a bunch of other shit. But bent the strut. Toe is all messed up. So a lot of work just went into this, but it will be ready. Hopefully, sucks as Jeremy had knocked a half second off his best lap time within the first couple laps before he got wrecked. So this thing should be faster now. So we've been saying that forever. Hopefully this thing runs up in the front now.